Today I'll tell you about top 10 professions of a new decade. As we know, this population increases from year to year. It's more than 7 billion people now. Population is getting older and consume more and more goods. People travel around the world in search of new places for self-realization. All changes which will happen to the humankind in the next 10 years will create some more workplaces and jobs. The main employment trend isn't change. It sounds like fewer people will be employed in production and more people will provide services to the other people. What does it mean for those who choose what to do for a living or want to change their professions? The magazine Forbes has analyzed the global trend and tried to predict which professions will be in demand in the next 10 years. Let's have a look at the
Nowadays, there is an acute shortage of qualified engineers. Electricians and technologists will be in great demand in 5 or 10 years. In 7 years, about 70% engineers will be retired, and only 5 or 10% new specialists will be ready to replace them. These exotic professions becomes popular because of increasing religious and national conflicts. New corporations are created, which explore the reasons of conflict to educate delegates for resolve disputes among people. The number of industrial enterprises have increased, and most of them harm to the environment. It means that ecologists won't remain without work in next decade. Decreasing the oils and gas reserves will push mankind to use alternative energy. The problem is how to achieve a high level of efficiency of its use. There are a huge number of explored deposits on the planet, but there is a problem in mining black gold. Oilmen will have to deal with deposits in the offshore and other non-standard stations. As population increases, so we need more and more food. The professionals who can develop new species of plants decide food problem in developing country will be in demand. In next decades, enterprises will need people who will be able to analyze the company's activity and specify the management to the high risk of certain deals and operations. The internet is actively developing, and not only software developer will find a job without any problem, but specialists like CMM specialists. Nurses and gerontologists will be in demand. This is due to the increase of life expectancy and retired people. Also, we will need neuro specialists like dentists, surgeons, and so on. The number of civil engineers is projected to grow at a rate 2.5 times faster. This is because this type of engineering involves overseeing transportation, municipal, and industrial infrastructure development.
I hope you have learned something new from this video, and now you know which profession you should pay attention in the future.